got the latest, not only traffic and weather, but the news around the valley and around the state of what's going on. What's going on, James?
Severe weather strikes Arizona. Now, live continuing coverage from the KTAR Storm Center on News Talk 92.3.
Storm Center.
Thanks, Zach. I'm Jamie West in the KTAR
See everything
Storm Center. Here's what's happening right now. The valley's under a tornado watch. 12 News meteorologist James Quinones joins us now live. What has prompted this watch, James?
A very strong line of thunderstorms that developed between Quartzsite and down to the south in Yuma. They're breaking up a little bit, but these will redevelop, and so we have a chance at some tornadic activity. We did have a tornado warning, but that was for La Paz County. But our watch will go until 10 o'clock for tonight, along with just straight line strong winds. This system has produced winds of up to 70 miles an hour, and they will continue the potential for 1-inch hail and thunderstorms. I think now we had a lot of rain today. Now we're going to start to see the thunderstorm activity pick up throughout tonight and for tomorrow. Remember, with thunderstorms, you talk about even more severe weather and a lot of rain that comes down in a very short period of time. We've also had dust. South of Costa Grande, we really haven't had a lot of rainfall, so there's been a lot of dust and a lot of blowing, believe it or not, muddy rain throughout parts of Apache Junction and parts of the East Valley as these winds continue, and we're also under a high wind warning for tonight.
You were talking about 70-mile-per-hour straight-line winds.
Yes, gusting conditions. That's what's coming out of the west right now, right out of Yuma. And for us, we're looking at least 60-mile-an-hour winds, but I think it would not be out of the question to see that bump up to about 70-mile-an-hour winds if these thunderstorms hold together. So that's why we have that watch that is in effect. Now, remember, it is a watch, which means the development